a little bit about the definition of what lie angle is. Because I think that's something that we may have overlooked potentially, and maybe I can show you, give you a little visual for the camera as well. So we've got the lie board here, okay, and the definition of lie angle is essentially the angle of the shaft of the club in relationship to the ground line, okay? And so essentially it's this distance right here when the center of the face is sold. Okay, so that would be this angle essentially right in there.
Yeah.
Would be the lie angle of the club. So if a player sets up like this, they're essentially changing the lie angle to the club. And that's why we are here. Obviously, now the heel is going to hit first. So if we were to look at maybe how this reacts to while you're actually swinging, if I was to set a tee down to kind of show you where the face is angled, if we're hitting heel heavy, that's sending our shots left.
Oh, yeah.
And that's definitely one reason why you mentioned I don't want my clubs to be bent upwards.
Yeah.
Because you don't like hitting it left. So essentially, when your toes hitting a little bit more, which were the shots that we saw were much better of yours.
Yeah.
Right. Especially with the shorter irons, you were slightly out on the toe. It's going to send the ball a little more out to the right, which allows you to kind of have that in-to-out path and release and hit the draw that is your natural tendency. So at the end of the day, the function of the lie angle is really to help your off-center hits.
Yeah.
So like when you do hit the heel or the toe a little bit, it's there to kind of help you, right, with that ground contact. So what our goal is to just find as close to center as we can get in real time. So that might be called dynamic lie angle. What is your lie angle? Static would be maybe not moving.
Yeah.
And then dynamic is as we're hitting.
Yeah.
So just to